Oh my gosh, I have to fix my pop filter. Oh, you can lay down on this game.
Ow.
Hold circle, bro.
Oh.
Have you not played Call of Duty? Oh shit.
No,
Yep, we're screwed.
Definitely fucked.
Absolutely destroyed. I'm gonna see a zombie
You know,
charge at me and I'm gonna freak out. Oh, damn it. I just realized. Okay, both of my controllers are fucking dead, so that doesn't help. Oh, shit, Waffle.
How do I stop? How do I stop? Okay,
I think you just kind of auto land.
Okay, that's fine with me. I got a gun, not gum.
A gum?
Fucking retarded.
I got a gum.
Shut your mouth.
Hey, you got any fire?
I hate you. Oh my
shit.
God!
I think you're getting shot.
Shot.
Go, 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 go.
Biscuit.
Yeet! Oh shit, you take
Aw.
damage. What the fuck is that?
I don't know. Holy shit! Oh.
Are you getting shot?
I don't know.
I hear walking. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You're fucked. Dude, don't fucking die.
I don't know how to fucking change my weapon! Oh, fuck.
I don't either. Fuck! Okay.
Did you die?
Yes.
Must be nice.
I got a couple hits on somebody at least.
I got my shit pushed in. Like, I don't know why I thought this was a good idea, but I picked up a fucking Magnum, and that shit was like, boom, and then there was like 10,000 degrees of recoil, and then it finally came back down. I shot again, missed. Shot again, missed. It was just bad news bears.
Damn it!
Bro, you can drift a Jeep! Oh!
I tell you what.
Tell you what, brother. Next time we land, we're going for gold.
Biscuits! I didn't get it.
Why can't I land on the roof? Dude, the landing in this game is abysmal. Guess I'll keep the AR-15! Hey, I got one over here if you want one.
Just keep an eye open for someone trying to kill us.
We'll know when they start shooting.
So, no.
What the fuck was that random lantern in the middle of the air? Nothing better than the sports store. Yeah, buddy.
Wait, you freaking took off running, you ass. You were supposed to tell me when you left.
Ah, I left.
NANI?!
Person.
Where?
Or just fly past. Behind us, you dumbass.
Team of 2. Use the car as cover.
I don't know where the fuck they went.
They're behind that tree over there. Is this seriously a single shot?
Damn, I can't get a single shot on him.
Going for it.
Get him?
Nope. They just threw a grenade.
Smoke.
Got
Good
him!
job.
Good shit. Advantage. I have 1 health. Fuck me. Oh, I think I'm down. Revive me! On our right. Behind us.
Where? Bro, don't fuck with them.
Got him.
That Luffy, you got him?
I hit him. I didn't kill him, but I hit him.
Get him. Get him.
Oh, they're down the hill. Coming behind. Oh, shit, they got a sniper! Another team. We are surrounded. Bad news.
Where's the other team?
They're all around us, dude. There's one behind us. There's one right in front of us. Oh, shit. They just threw a fucking grenade at me. Yeet! Run!
I don't like this game!
This is terrifying. I guess
Hill.
this game doesn't have any zombies because I haven't seen anything.
We're gonna get so boned. You know that, right?
Yep. This is what we're gonna do.
What are we gonna do?
Surprise, motherfucker!
I'm down!
I died.
Oh, fuck!
I was scoped.
I'm like, We're gonna sit in this building. I open the door and I see 2 ghillie suits. Like, well, hello there, Sonny. I guess this was a lesson learned.
Yes.
This game's
Very
absolute
much.
trash.